Okay, folks, spatial visualization, the stuff that we're working on today, we're not really learning about a formula or finding area or something like that, but we're going to practice visualizing some things from different angles without having them in front of us or in our hands. Okay, we're just going to practice this. Now, let's look at this first part here. It says there are several different ways that engineers, designers, and architects draw objects. Okay? Bless you, Ian. Good to have you back. A common way is to draw three different views of the object: the top, the front, and the side. And you can imagine yourself what you look like from the top. Now, guys, I can't draw it, but I'm going to draw someone, you know, that's like the crown of someone's head, right? And of course, if you've got the latest hairstyle, you know, you just comb your hair forward for a guy, from the crown of their head. They just comb it out forward. You know what I'm talking about? Carson? You know what I'm saying? Okay, or Carter? Yeah, maybe Hayes, you know what I'm saying? Okay, maybe they don't know what I'm saying. All right. Then, if you look, that's from the top. Okay, your hair looks much better than that, but that's kind of what it looks like, your head from the top. Or you could look at your face from the front, like it looks in the mirror, right? Look how nice you guys look. You know? But wait, oh, there it is. It's just all combed forward. All right, so there's our, hey, that's not bad, guys. You got to give that to me, okay? So this is from the front. Thank you. And now this one's from the side. I don't know, maybe. Okay, big nose. That's all right. Okay, hey, I'm not an artist. You have an ear.
Oh, I see.
Oh, look. Oh, now it looks more like you guys. No eyes at all. Exactly. I ask myself that all the time, Matt. Okay, from the side. Okay, so now we have these three. Hey, that's not bad, Mr. C.
What's wrong with his hair? It's like
Okay, hey. All right. Okay, he slept on it wrong. I don't know. Top, front, and side. Okay, now we're going to practice doing that with some of these shapes here. Okay? It says a metal part in this first one. A metal part is shown below. Draw a top view, a front view, and a side view of the metal part. Check the drawing of each view to make sure it accurately shows the object in 2 dimensions. So we're going to draw it from the top, we're going to draw it from the front, and then we're going to draw it from the side. Okay? Now, if you happen to be watching this online tonight, what you want to do right now is just pause it and draw it. And then after you're done drawing it, come back to the video, press play, and see if you got these drawings correctly. Okay? Pause, and then when you're done drawing, come back. Okay, folks, now you have drawn your pictures. I'm going to show you how I draw them. I know the top, I'm viewing from this direction, and if I look at it, I would see this, okay, which looks like a rectangle. I wouldn't see that, that's a side, but I would see this because this sticks out. Those are the things that are on top. So if I'm looking at it, it would look like this, top. I'd have this rectangle, and then I'd have this other rectangle right beside it, and it would have these 2 little holes in it, like that. That's what it would look like from the top, okay? Now, I'm going to erase this, and I'm going to talk about I'll do the side next. So if I'm viewing from the side, I'm going to see this thin little rectangle right here that I can barely even draw. And then I'm going to see this one. It's kind of rounded. It's a rectangle, but it's rounded on the edges up there. Okay? So if I only drew those 2 pieces, it would look sort of like this. Is it red? Okay, thank you. I may be able to get it in. Maybe not. All right? And then it would have that little bit at the bottom. And then the last part from the front, I would have this. It would sort of look like this little rectangle with a bit sticking off the edge. So I'd have this like that with a little thing at the end. All right? Awesome job. This is, remember, the front. All right, I think we're ready to try.